12, owned by the Armstrong family, out in force today, I can see. The boat we are now looking at is a 1983 Stallbro Royal, and they're waving to us.
We've done
So
Ocean
actually
Dream.
this is Ocean Dream. We seem to be one ahead of ourselves. Ocean Dream are now waving. Does your boat make a noise, sir? Does your boat make a noise? Let's hear it then. Oh yes. Right, you're going to be fined £300 by the river authorities. In cash only, paid to me, Mark Hansard, afterwards. Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Dahu, boat number 12. Owned by the Armstrong family. Gentlemen there. Oh, both in full 1940 regalia. Good to see you both. Let's have a wave. Thank you. This is a 1983 Stallbro Royal boat in excellent condition. We say Strawbo Baltic 31. 2 engines, 160 horsepower, powered by Volvos, and I don't know what's coming behind. It's a guy in... What's that? Spud. It's seaweed. Spud? Can you wave? Spud can wave. Anyway, the Armstrong have owned Dahu for 5 years, and a Dahu is a legendary mythical mountain beast, which I assume is Spud behind. Is that right? Yes, I was right. So the mythical mountain beast is in the blue boat behind, affectionately known as Spud.
Boat 13 coming behind Spud is Merlin. Danny Barton's the owner of Merlin. It's a Mirage 29 boat. Limited details on this one. Give us a wave, everybody, on Merlin. Now let's hear the horn. The size of your horn, please, sir. Is that it?
Fairly speedily behind is boat number 14. Affectionately known as Chameleon, so it should be changing colour as it goes past you. Owned by Marion and Clive Gisborne, who are about to wave. I'll repeat, oh thank you, about to wave, thank you very much. It's made by Nunn and it was launched in 1976. And the Ocean 30 is 30 foot long by 10 foot 2 inches wide, nothing like precision. I'd like to test that one you more, please. I want those 2 inches. It's 2 engines, Mercedes 636 each with a 42 horsepower output. And the boat has been owned by the Gisborne family since October 2007. Let's have another wave. Thank you.
Boat 15. Sheer fantasy, great costumes from the guys on Boat 15. Mike and Elaine Denman, the owners of this. So Roxham Marine. We all know Roy's own Roxham. They've had the boat for 6 years. It's got a 194 cylinder turbo diesel. And it has the biggest horn of any of the boats on the river. How big's your horn, sir?
And bringing up the rear, as they say, is boat number 16 on this Armed Forces Day, and it's the boat called Euphoria, owned by Derek and Molly Mead. Let's see you wave, Derek and Dolly, please. Molly, I should say. Thank you. Don't they look great? All dressed up in navy uniforms, looking very, very splendid there. And we're looking at a Fairline 1981. It's the Mirage aft cabin 6 berth, 29 foot in length. And I believe, is that a gun at the back I see, sir? It is, crikey. No, not me, not me. It's a Thornycraft 1800 diesel powered boat. And I've got here a special note, a representation of the warship HMS Resolution, a battleship of the Royal Sovereign class, which Molly's father served on between 1938 and 1940. So let's have a clap for that. Brilliant.
You can see number 17 coming past, but it's the camouflage. It's Kariba Dawn. Again, dressed wonderfully, 1940s, also with a gun at the front, waving. Can they salute, please, the captain? Give me a salute, please, captain. This is Ron Evans. Ron, has your boat got a horn? Just. Ron has completely refitted that boat. It's a Seamaster 1972.
Boat number 18, Double Brandy. What a great name for a boat. So let's see you wave, Double Brandy. The boat model and size in Ocean 30, Twin Mercedes 636 diesel carrying this magnificent beast of a ship. They've owned it for a year. And it says here, any interesting items? Right, here we go. Double Brandy started its life at Ouse Valley River Club, St. Neots in 1979. It was then owned by Mr. Burton. Mr. Burton, she has been to Holland twice and France at least, once spending many journeys out on the open sea. Double Brandy was sold to the Commodore of Denver Boat Club, but sadly he passed away and Double Brandy was left moored for several years where she started to suffer. However, after 2 further owners, she's now returned to OBRC, much to the delight of its membership, and her owners have started the long journey of bringing her back to her former glory. Alright, Goosey 2, wait your turn. So round of applause for Goosey 2. Lord and Lady Fox own this, apparently. It's a 29-foot Mirage. This boat has been across the channel on at least 6 occasions. That means between BBC 2 and Channel 4. Give them a round of applause on Goosey 2. There's the horn. And look at this beauty. Sequoia. Is that pronounced right, sir? Sequoia. Excellent. Adam Easton owns this boat, captains it. Boat making years, Hardy 1991, River Pilot, 20 foot long, 1.35 horsepower. Owned by Adam Easton. Let's have a wave out. Thank you. Oh! I'll tell you what, Adam, your horn is magnificent. Number 21 is Lifestyle. David Sally owner. Yeah, they've all got the idea now. It's the 1980s Fairline Carrera 24, so it must be 24 foot long. Limited details, give us a wave everybody on board boat number 21, Lifestyle. Now we're moving up to the next boat, Midnight Star. Mick and Sue Bedford waving very enthusiastic there. I assume you're Sue, are you, about to call in? Yeah? It's a Fairline 1980, a Mirage Mark 1, 29 foot in length. And that's all the information I've got, except you obviously enjoying the day, are you on there? Good? Let's have a wave from the captain, please. Thank you. And have you a horn, sir? I'll take that as a no.
Coming past us next is a Foxy Lady. Hello, Malcolm. Marcia and Malcolm Shepherd on Foxy Lady. Making year of the boat, it says Norman. 24 foot boat, Foxy Lady. Youngsters on board enjoying the river.
Boat number 25, Liberty. Let's have a wave, guys, please. A wave from Liberty. 36-foot Freeman boat, I believe that's correct. Can we have a wave from the captain, please? A wave from the captain of Liberty, thank you, sir. And again, if you have a horn, we would like to hear it, please. As they say, if that's all you've got, that's what we've got to do with, so thanks very much. Enjoy the day.
And we're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 3 more to go. Let's just go around for another go.
And that's excellent for the captain of Liberty there, a full 360. Wow, thank you.
Handbrake turn.
Under the bridge, I believe he's going to do a pirouette, but we shall wait and see. Thank you.
Next in line is Penelope, or Penelope. Tracy Charlie Potter, the owners of this. It's made in Hartford, 1988. It is a Hansa, 36 feet long. The guys have owned the boat for 10 months. And it's called a Hartford Hansa because it was built locally in the Hartford Arena. And give them a round of applause for the dancers on board.
Two boats to go in this magnificent flotilla, I believe it's known as, on Armed Forces Day here at St. Neots 2015. Taking its time, but why not? We will be seeing boat number 27, known as Bonnie Maid. Owned by Clive Russell. It's a Broom Ocean 29. And the number actually gives away the length of the boat, 29 feet. One engine, and again dressed to impress today. Keep it waving, guys. Coming now, Bonnie Maid, boat number 27. And if we can get away from the captain, please. Away from the captain. Thank you, sir. And again, if you have a horn, we would like to hear it, Bonnie Maid. Excellent. I reckon a bit of Vic on the old chest will sort that out tonight, sir. And dressed, as I said, to impress on this 1940 Armed Forces Day. Excellent, thanks very much, Bonnie Maid.
And we get to the very end. Last but not least, making its way slowly up the river. If those are the guns, can't wait to hear the size of the horn. It's called Tara D3, it's owned by Tony and Jill Digby. It's a sheer line, 950. And they've owned the boat for 9 years. So give them a round of applause, show your appreciation as they come past. Look at the swans go. Wonderful boat, the Tara D3. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being patient and showing your appreciation to all 28 boats on the river. I think we're starting something new here in St. Neots, the first ever annual parade of boats.
And the judges have been voting on the boats, and the winner will be announced around 5 o'clock this evening. So the best boat on this particular. Oh no, hang on, we have one more. Gary.
Listen.
We have a late entry, number 29. We have no details, so if someone would like to swim out and find out who they are.
Debbie there is just about to dive in and just gets the name of the captain. So whoever you are, boat number 29, let's see you wave. We need a wave. Beautiful looking boat. Here we have the boat with no name. Keep waving, we need a wave from the captain, please. Thank you very much.
And a toot of your horn, please. You haven't got.
What do you mean you ain't got one?
Well, shout toot toot then. There we go. What's the name of your boat?
Scout. So boat number 29, Scout.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for all the boats today. So still lots to come at this wonderful Armed Forces Day, 4th of July, beautiful sunny day. We have more music from the Galaxy Big Band. And of course the prize giving for the best dressed 1940s costume, the best 1940s themed boat. We're showing our appreciation for all the mayors again. They won't be here, but we'll just say thank you anyway. And Gareth and his team will be doing the final dance.